While there is no denying that the possibility of an asteroid collision with Earth can be unsettling, the good news is that scientists do not consider it a high-probability event in the near future. However, it's important to note that not all asteroids in our galaxy have been discovered or located, leaving room for a yet undiscovered threat from a flying space rock. To address this concern, NASA established the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, which is responsible for identifying asteroids and comets passing near Earth's orbit and working on systems to prevent catastrophic impacts with Earth. The DART defense system was developed as part of these efforts and was successful in smashing into a non-Earth threatening asteroid named Dimorphos on September 26, 2022. The mission demonstrated that a similar instrument could easily redirect future asteroids of this size. It's worth noting that meteorites hitting the planet are a more common occurrence than people might think, and most of them are not dangerous to humans. Additionally, the success of asteroid defense systems like DART depends on our ability to predict future asteroid impacts with a high degree of certainty. This is an area in which astronomers are somewhat lagging due to the vast number of asteroids in our solar system. While several theoretical solutions were proposed before the success of the DART mission, it is unlikely that other methods of asteroid deflection will be tested anytime soon, as the team's theories on kinetic impact proved to be effective. Governments worldwide have acknowledged the threat of a potential asteroid impact, and leading scientific organizations like NASA have invested time and resources in developing solutions within the last decade. Today, we can say that we have a real solution to the problem. Thanks for watching.